arrest of a person for a debt should be a last resort, because many people are abusing court processes. If a debtor has put security, your first remedy is to liquidate the security. If it is land, you sell it. If it is a car, you sell it. Arresting a person for a debt should be a last resort. That's why what happened to Honorable Mwesigwa Rukari was a gross miscarriage of justice, and I believe he will get redress from Monday. Thank you.
To use the common English. But, Your Grace, you will not blame people for calling the Uganda Matters Church a cathedral. You will forgive them. I'm sure we are all here wondering whether this thing will ever stand here. I'm sure there are many people, if you ask them confidentially, do you really believe that in 3 years we shall come here for a ceremony to dedicate this church? Some people will say, you know, Ugandan things. I want to tell you, the speaker told me to tell you that she believes that she will be here for that ceremony. I also believe. So how many of us believe that that picture will be here in reality? Yes, we must face our fear. Like the children of Israel faced that snake, the serpent. No wonder the symbol of doctors and healing is the serpent. If you see the symbol of medicine, that's what it is. Sometimes the thing you fear most may not harm you if you face it. As a younger politician, I had to face Joseph Kony. Can you imagine going to the bush of Congo to meet a man called Joseph Kony? I had to face that fear and go and face him. So, the first message that the speaker has for you, in the context of that big project, is that we must face that fear that we may not raise the money. And then we do it. I am not only representing the speaker, I'm also representing my friend and brother, the Honorable Robert Mwesigwa Rukari. In fact, I told him I would announce myself the acting MP for Marada City North. After all, I grew up here in Ruti. We had a garden in Idirere. I don't know whether it is south or north, but it is a walking distance.